Hello everyone from Islands of Adventure's first official day of opening after COVID closures. Crowds aren't too heavy today, so as long as the Universal app pulls through for you with its virtual reservation system, you can get on a lot of rides without much waiting. But I'm not focusing on social distancing markers or new procedures in this video. I am focusing on an update from the ground on the new Intamin built Jurassic roller coaster that you can see here across the lagoon as you enter the park. So all of this track work was put into place while the park was closed, and the big news today is the completion of the Heartline roll right above the water in front of the Jurassic Park Discovery Center. And back here on the deck at the Three Broomsticks restaurant, you can see how close the track gets to the deck here. Really great views from here. It's going to be awesome when this coaster opens to see it just feet away from you. And just a heads up, at this time you do need to buy food to get access to this area.
I was just upset you didn't get a free cup.
No, this stresses me out.
And now as we walk through the Jurassic Coaster construction site, we can see this new planter here. The station on the left. And as we continue, this building will be the start of the first launch. The ride taking up this entire area to the left, and you can see the new Raptor encounter, which is now open. And out of the first launch, here into the Immelman, and follow that track to this next support. Then down and back up to these two supports into a dive loop. And standing next to River Adventure, you can see some rock work going up. And looking straight down the barrel roll, it has quite the odd look to it, very different from the tight heartlining like you would have seen on the Maverick roll at Cedar Point. Even maybe a bit over heartline, which should give riders a bit more positive Gs as they enter and exit it, so that should be quite comfortable overall. It's going to be crazy to be upside down just feet from the ground right there. Massive Intamin, it's so surreal. And once all those pathways are done out in front of the Discovery Center, we're going to have some crazy views of every angle of the back half of this ride.
I'm literally on this just to get pictures of the Jurassic coaster. Oh!
And if you've watched the POV prediction video, you can see the differences aren't massive if you're not a huge coaster fan, but if you are, you can see that there's a wave turn here instead of an overbank, and also a quick speed airtime hill before the Heartline roll. In between these two large helices is still unknown. It could either be the sideways air hill or possibly turn to the left quick and then back right. We will see soon, I'm sure. That's all from the park today. We'll keep a close eye on what is going on at this site. The best way to get immediate updates on this project is to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I'm always posting and retweeting information about this project. Thank you as always for watching, and until next time, see ya.